All right. Where were we? All right, disco. So disco's a hot, floppy mess here, so it's not a clean break. But if you start to see bios run and stuff like that, this one's, the line that we draw on is going to be a little bit tricky, but it's getting there where we think that it could break, right? You got rising 20-day moving average support. So kind of keep an eye on this, 340 area. It's been a little bit light on volume here, which is normal for consolidation, but I think that this one has a chance. We'll definitely keep an eye on it. RDN, same group as MTG. Once again, this is not a clean one, but it's still a strong one, and so I think that we still got a chance on this. We just got to nail down, and you got to make sure you align on all time frames to make sure you get the best entry. Vivis. So Vivis today, Vivis on Friday must have had some type of news. But it got stopped right at the 200-day moving average. And if you can see this $20 mark, kind of $20 mark, it's been very, very important here of recent, right? So there's a lot of support here. So if we can't hold this area, I think that this one could be a nice short for a trade. So definitely keep this one on watch. And then DDD. DDD has been just getting nailed, right? This was one of those stocks that we were really watching for a short around, 40, 39. Now it's flushed down on some good volume. It's getting really, really oversold. My thinking is, one more flush. If we get a gap down in this stock or something like that where you get a big push to the downside, I think that this one is in play for a rubber band trade for a quick trade to the upside where you could get a snapback, taking it back to the 50-day moving average. But that's probably about it. This chart is broken for now. We've had distribution, but just on an oversold snapback basis, I definitely think one more push down gets us a snapback up, and then, probably bear flag and stuff like that. But for now, the long term, right, the run in the stock is over momentarily, right? It's going to need something to kind of give it a catalyst to get back up there. And then A&R, we took this for a couple pennies last week, but, still watching it here. I think it got hit with some type of news or something, the coal stocks, but still watching this 7 area for a potential bounce. This move from the bottom was very significant. It can't be taken lightly. And, it's been a fairly orderly pullback, 2%, 3% days, but nothing major. I definitely think there's a bounce in there. The question is when. So I'll be aligning on all time frames and making sure that, we really nail the entry.